But then again, just throw it in the bag. I'm not finna take that.
Just throw it in the mouth.
We got it. Hey, I don't know. Yes, I got some. I can see.
I like the way you flip that shit.
Yeah.
Don't laugh, though.
I wasn't.
Cause you just took the bitch. Yeah, he's a bitch.
I'm trying to go a whole day without saying nigga. I'm trying tomorrow. Man, you said the word 46 times.
Nigga hush.
And I'm clean my room.
What they do, nigga?
I was washing my car and clean, detail it, done on it a little bit. But
Sometimes you got a nut on your car. I mean, I really don't know what else to say.
my car's sexy. I come every time I get in.
Shit, I do too.
Literally. You just gotta come to the car before you get in.
Exactly.
Think about it.
Yeah, nigga. That's the methamphetamine right there, nigga. In the mind, nigga.
Bro, I still ain't seen Get Him to the Greek. But I heard that nigga said, have you ever been mind raped before?
Mind fuck.
My bad. Have you ever been mind fucked before?
See, I'm fucking your mind right now. Can you feel my dick fucking your brain? Nigga daddy stupid as fuck, bro.
I'll probably watch that tonight too.
You should do yourself a favor and kill yourself.
Bro, that is a lot of clothes.
Not really. For a baby, maybe, but like,
I'm talking about.
not for no real nigga.
See, if I was corn, this would just be a bottle of vodka.
Mm. What the fuck is that? Oh, well, I thought you was drinking. Washing detergent.
Yeah, nigga. I knew.
Dumb.
Like to keep my washing detergent on shield. You want some of this?
Huh?
You want some?
Yeah, pour me a cup. Put some hot sauce on. You got a little bleach? Got a little bleach?
I got some in the car.
Shit, look, nigga, what you doing with that, nigga? Give me the bleach.
So how am I? Oh, I got an idea. But I really forgot what I used to put my clothes in. And I want to do chips, chips.
And dip and pits. And dip and pits and dip. Dip and pits. And dip and pits and dip. Everybody now dip.
Try this shit.
That shit says gingerbread. Pop tart. Nigga, I don't even gonna eat all this shit, man. I'm just gonna put one in my mouth like I do them penises. Damn, Brandon. That shit tastes like gingerbread.
I know.
That's crazy.
That's what that white shit on the inside is.
What?
Action.
Nigga, stop playing. I thought that shit would come. I about to eat it all. I got so much shit I gotta do.
I'm studying today.
Shut up.
I got chest.
Shut up.
Tomorrow.
Sorry, bro. That shit slipped, man. We still cool. No homo.
Alright, so she said no homo.
That's how I fuck my bitches. Man, Mo need to come on this goddamn threesome. You think I can get it for my birthday?
When is it?
July 12th. Oh shit, I got her for Christmas shit. She better give me a threesome. I feel like I'm an old one. You had one before?
Nope.
Do you want one?
Good. Me, you, and Mo. Let's go.
Let's go.
Come up.
Alright. I think we gotta go to the pussy though. So
Pussy come to me. I don't go to pussy.
that's how a real G would do it. But it seems that you're not one. We probably gonna have to go over there. Have I been wrong before, nigga? Besides the shit on the quiz today?
I mean, yeah, you have been wrong today, Mo.
Okay.
I'm just
Brandon, like, would you fuck her? Like, if like we wasn't dating?
I already did, bro.
I'm just saying, like, besides that. You're serious, ain't you?
Maybe. Maybe not.
I'm just saying, man. You know, have you ever just like looked him on like, damn, I put my dick in you?
I already did.
So you're not gay. All right, cool. How you print in this word?
Duh. Foul.
Sometimes faster is better. Like when you're trying to fight breakouts. That's why Clearasil invented its 4-hour rapid action treatment cream. Its Excellederm science works with your skin to deposit medicine into pores to visibly reduce redness and pimple size in as little as 4 hours.
I don't want to
So
pop
you
this
look
shit.
and feel awesome.
Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do with my dick?
Clearasil, the science of looking
bastard.
awesome. And now bonus 4-hour treatment cream available in Clearasil kit.
All right, then, my nigga. Appreciate you.